When we read Exodus chapter 21, it is essential to understand the historical and cultural context of these laws. Written over 3,000 years ago, there were radical departures from the norms of ancient society, where might made right and the strong exploited the weak. These laws were given to the Israelites, shaping their identity as people and setting them apart from their neighbors. So, what are some key themes in Exodus chapter 21 that reflects God's view on human rights? The first thing that stands out is the emphasis on justice. From the laws about reparations for injuries to the penalties for kidnapping, it is clear that God is concerned about fairness and equality. He doesn't just care about the victim, he also wants to protect the rights of the accused. Another critical theme is the treatment of servants. While it is true that the concept of servanthood was the very different from modern day slavery, Exodus chapter 21 still sets an important limit on the power of slave owners. It demands that servants be treated with dignity and respect, and that they have rights that must be upheld. This is remarkable given the time period in which the laws were written. Furthermore, Exodus chapter 21 highlights the importance of protecting the vulnerable. For the laws about the Sabbath to those about caring for the poor and strangers, God is adamant that his people prioritize the needs of those around him. This is a powerful message about the value of human life and the importance of community. Finally, in Exodus chapter 21 tackles the issues of authority and accountability. Whether it is the rules about the punishment for parents or those about the responsibility of leaders, it is clear that God expects those in power to act with integrity and humanity. This has huge implications for our understanding of human rights today, particularly in the realm of government and political authority. So, how do these commands in Exodus chapter 21 relate to contemporary human rights discussions? Well, take, for example, a modern day debate about capital punishment. And Exodus chapter 21 gives us important clues about God's perspective on this issue, emphasizing the value of human life while also acknowledging the need for justice. Or consider the conversation around income inequality. In Exodus chapter 21's laws about the treatment of servants and the care of the poor all offers valuable insight into God's views on economic justice. Another example is the contemporary debate about immigration. In Exodus chapter 21's laws about the treatment of strangers and foreigners offer a powerful message about the importance of hospitality and compassion. By examining these ancient laws through the lens of human rights, we can uncover a fresh perspective and new ways of thinking about these complex issues. Some might object that Exodus chapter 21 is outdated or irrelevant to modern human rights and discussions. Others might argue that its laws are too harsh or even barbaric.